Hello everyone, how's it going? I hope each and every single one of you are having an amazing day. And so basically today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you the stock exhaust sound of my 2016 Ford Mustang EcoBoost from both the exterior and the interior. And by the way, it's a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine that makes 310 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. So here we go. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such car videos. Until then, goodbye.